Hi, welcome. My name's Crow and welcome to the Foot Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video this morning just to demonstrate the sound of this beautiful Shamanic Rattle, which is currently for sale on our Etsy shop. Now, all of the information and the details and the photographs, etc., they'll all be on the listing. I'll pop a link underneath the video. So this really is just for you to be able to have a little listen to the sound. Okay, so I'm hoping that the microphone will pick this up okay. Just a little bit of a... there we go. Okay, so if I just briefly tell you a little bit about it, it's a horse skin bulb. And inside there is what I call seed beads, and they are used in jewellery making. They're little glass beads. And they make a lovely sonic. Alongside that, there's some chips, tiny little chips of crystals, and there's a good couple of pinches in there of variety. I have a bag of mixed crystals in there: rose quartz, quartz, citrines, amethyst, jaspers, all different agates and stuff like that. And there's a general mixture, and it's just to help along with the healing energy that comes along with the drum, the rattle. Sorry. I've actually put some rabbit fur. Now the rabbit fur comes from upcycled fur coats that I use, so that's rather pretty. There is a pheasant feather here, which is ethically sourced. Again, we have a lot of wild pheasants where we live here, and forage a lot of feathers locally, trimmed with some leather just on here. The branch, I think, is an oak. It's an oak branch on there. So stitched together with artificial sinew. I'm going to play. I'm going to shut up and I'm going to play so you can hear what it sounds like, which is the main thing. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I did. So yeah, it helps when buying online to be able to actually hear what things sound like. So that's the purpose of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps. I'm Crow, Spiritual Foot Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.